in Guwahati University in Assam. I'm here to talk to the young people of the state, to understand from them what their concerns are, what are the factors that they will consider when they go in to vote. Remember, this is one place where you will find students from all communities. There will be the Koch Rajbangshis, the Missings, the Karbis, and the local indigenous Assamese as well.
In the last 5 years, we have seen that the rise in the communal force in the state. Our state has been known as the Honkor Azanor Dek. It's the place of Shankar and Azan, means the harmony between the Hindus and the Muslim. But recently we have seen the communal force in the state, and we have seen the divide and rule policy, where the government is trying to divide the people with their communities, with the Muslim, with their religion. Means
The youth is not happy with that.
the youth is not at all happy with that.
Okay.
One thing I'm very concerned about, and all my fellow students will be concerned about, is the employment processes and the lack of employment, to be specific.
There is no regularity in holding the exams. So there is a gap, huge gap, 2-3 years every year. They keep postponing, or they don't hold it in a timely manner. So that is an issue, because many people lose their attempts due to age or something.
With urbanization, industrialization, communities are coming out, they are getting better education, and their voting patterns are also changing.
Okay.
So at this point, you cannot say that they have a coherent ideology.
Okay, one last question on the CAA. Let me get to know what the youths think, whether it will be any factor at all. Do you think the CAA will matter in this election, the Citizenship Amendment Act?
Political parties that who run from the center, who run from the Delhi, doesn't understand our emotions. What are our emotions? We have seen that they have misled us for a long time. We have seen that the Bangladeshi immigrant issue, they have given us promises again and again. We need a regional party who can understand our emotions, who can know us, and who can work for the betterment of our place.
That's a very important issue. So one must understand here that for Assam, for the citizenship, to begin with, the cutoff was 1971, which was set in the Assam Accord. For the rest of India, it was 1951. But what the Citizenship Amendment Act did was pushed it all the way to 2014, making it easier for all non-Muslims from the specific 5 countries to get citizenship. That has angered a lot of Assamese youth, saying, why should Assam take the burden of accommodating so many people? Of course, CAA is for the entire country, but for Assam it would have a very different ramification, and that is what we just heard from the young people here in Guwahati University.